In other news, the Supreme Court refused to stay a judicial probe into the death of a protesting farmer at the border of Haryana. The court was hearing a petition filed by the Haryana government challenging the High Court's 7th of March order, which had formed a committee headed by a former High Court judge to inquire into the death of a farmer, Shubkaran Singh, during the clashes. The Supreme Court said that the supervision of the matter by a panel headed by a retired judge would infuse fairness and transparency. We're talking about Shubkaran, a native of Bhatinda, who was killed, and several police personnel were injured during that clashes that took place on the Punjab-Haryana border on the 21st of February. We have Ghazali joining us. Ghazali, quite a setback when it comes to the government, with the government there not allowing a stay as far as the case is concerned.
Yeah, so this was a bunch of petitions which the Punjab and Haryana High Court was hearing to, in which it was demanded that a judicial probe or at least a court-monitored probe should be done into the killing of that farmer from Bhatinda. And court ordered it on the 7th of March that a judicial probe, a commission was constituted with two officers, one from Punjab and one from Haryana, led by a retired judge of the High Court. Will be monitoring or probing this entire incident, and the scope of the entire judicial probe will not only look into the killing of the Shubkaran Singh, the farmer, but will also probe whether the Haryana police was judicious in using the police force near Khanori border where this farmer had died in a clash which the Haryana police called a clash between protesters and the police. Now, when the judicial probe was ordered, Haryana government went to Supreme Court asking it to put a stay on that. And yesterday, the Supreme Court refused to put a stay on that, while Haryana government has contended that it will demoralize the Haryana police, that before every police action, if the court starts interfering with judicial probe, how will the police function? That was the argument of the Haryana government. But the Supreme Court said that there are apprehensions with the family of the victim as well as the farm union leaders, and that is why a judicial probe has been rightly ordered by the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and we can't interfere into that. And that is why it refused to accept the plea of the Haryana government.
Right.